I'm interested in how this company came together. Your background, as we said in the opening, was more in Estonia's e-residency program and some other startups I think you mentioned during the prep call. How did you get into this quite specific area of procurement, and how did you even build up all the knowledge about that?
Yeah. We have three co-founders. None of have any procurement background, and all the terms in procurement were new to us. At government, I was leading digital transformations, and AI was also part of that digital agenda. But it was quite difficult to go to huge AI leaps in government. So I thought to do in private sector first, and then go back to government one day is better. And my brother is other co-founder. He was AI lead at Starship Technologies. They are doing self-delivery robots, and the founder Martin Rand, who came with theories of negotiations through his previous exit. And three of us aligned very quickly that the next big thing is that AI agents are going to collaborate with humans, and negotiations is a cool space to be because it's a lot of value creation that can happen there, and humans are not maybe meant for thousands of in parallel negotiations in real life. But we did not know about procurement and opportunity in procurement. So we did negotiations with agents, with sales negotiations, hiring negotiations, for example. Still today, actually, engineers joining back, and then we are negotiating the salaries and comp with them. So we're doing all different types of negotiations. But coming back to your beginning, that when Walmart came to us and when chief merchandising officer told us that this is a no-brainer, that 80% of our suppliers are not touched at all because we don't have time, can put your agent and help with those conversations, it's no brainer that it adds value. So it turned out that we didn't have to be better than humans. We had to even help them. We had to be better than them not doing anything because they don't have time to. Right. And that procurement, that's so-called long tail problem, became kind of the way how we entered to large enterprises, that we have agents who works with these suppliers and these deals that humans just don't have time. Of course, through 6 years now, we are working with the larger deals as well and manage spend, so-called as well, and together with buyers who can kind of review before the negotiation goes out and adjust that and kind of work in collaboration with buyers.
Hmm. Excellent. Well, some people will say, well, of course, if you have Walmart, then it's easy to figure this out. But you actually landed Walmart really quickly, right? It was almost like a foundational customer for Pactum, as you said. Tell us more about that story to the degree you can, like what happened, and what advice would you give other founders to land a whale like Walmart so quickly?
Yes. Well, our ambition, because Estonia, where we are physically from, is a very small space, right? We have 1 million people. So our nature day one is to go to the largest market, which typically is the US, right? And there you just need to Google the Fortune 500 and see the list of largest companies, and you need to reach out to them. And it happened to be Walmart, but we reached out to others as well, right? And then what happened was that after the initial pitch, they put us together, and maybe big win for us was that we had negotiation with them as well. And while we are building negotiation software, then Martin especially came with negotiations background and knowing kind of how to map different terms available in that negotiation space. And one of those terms, for example, is brand and PR rights that we can mention. Walmart is our client, and then you measure and prioritize those. And for us, it's like price most important. For everyone, price is most important. But actually, for a startup who has a first customer, price might not even matter that much. And for us, the brand and the uh, first client and quick rollout is more important, right? So you prioritize those, and then you can make exchange. And one exchange there was that we can mention the fact Walmart is our client in exchange of giving you much better price, giving you some other rights, and they were happy. So this is the typical kind of win-win that can happen when two parties collaborate, even if one is one person in company, other is 2 million person company, right?